Now, while I'm the first one to admit you have to trust your surgeon, if you don't have total trust in your surgeon, you have to find a new surgeon. I'm also the one to say you have to be your own biggest advocate. And so a popular question that comes up often in the knee replacement support group is whether you should utilize a continuous passive range of motion machine, a CPM. Now, I don't believe that a CPM is totally necessary, and in most cases, I would say a CPM holds you back. I believe that patients get so stuck on trying to keep their time on the CPM that they sacrifice spending time on their feet. If I had one suggestion to any patient who is able to do it, I would say spend more time on your feet. Standing, walking, moving around the house, doing the things you love, that's what's going to get you back to function. But for those of you who believe a CPM is the best option for you, or those of you who cannot tolerate longer durations of standing, a CPM might be a great choice. And so it's important that you understand your rights. It's important you understand what is covered by insurance, what you could choose to pay, self-pay, out of pocket for. And in this video, what I do here is I call a medical supply company. I obviously get their permission to record my side of the call and their side. And then what I do is I ask them a couple simple questions about using a CPM. How do I get a CPM? Can I order one? They supply nationally. So I just randomly chose this company. I'm not endorsing this company. I didn't get paid by this company. I literally just went into Google, searched medical supply equipment, and this was one of the companies that came up. I found one of their videos on YouTube, which led me back to their website as well. So let me take you inside my screen. Let me show you the Medicare Part B guideline that clearly states Medicare will cover the cost of a CPM device.